In this video, we show you how to make a copy using the Epson T5470M's onboard scanner. Start by placing the magnetic guides onto the right and left side of the channel as shown here. On the printer, select Copy, then set up the properties of the scan. For best results, set the quality to Fine or Superfine. Click on the Advanced tab and select the type of scan you are making. Input the number of copies you would like to print and click OK. Now, take the original document you'd like to scan and place it before the scanner. Align the magnetic edge guides to the width of your paper, keeping the right guide in place and moving the left guide to fit the width. Slowly and evenly feed the original into the scanner. The scanner will automatically begin loading. Press the Copy button and the scanner will begin its operation. While holding the end of the original, press OK to eject the document. The printer will then ask if you would like to scan more originals or select Last Original to complete the scanning process. Your copies will immediately begin to print and cut from the Epson T5470M. A notification will come up on the printer's interface when the process is complete. Press the Close button to return to the main menu. Thank you for watching this video. For more helpful videos, check out our YouTube channel, and be sure to visit LexJet.com for additional product information.